Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. We begin with more details from the survey gauging confidence in the local economy. Business confidence fell by more than 5% last quarter, reflecting a fall-off from the increase seen for the October to December period last year. Javon Keys has more.
Poleston, head of Market Research Limited, Don Anderson, says the first quarter presented an unusual situation with business confidence dipping at a similar level to consumer confidence. For January to March this year, the Business Confidence Index was 137 percentage points, reflecting a 5.4% drop from the index of 2022's fourth quarter. Mr. Anderson says for the first quarter last year, 18.9% of the 100 businesses polled expected profits to improve.
That moved up in the first quarter of 2023 current situation to 20.2%. So there's a slight increase in the number of firms that expect their current profit to be better. And therefore, there's a concomitant decrease in the number who expected their profits to be worse, from 24.8% first quarter of 2022 to 20.2% in first quarter of 2023.
More than half of the businesses felt the conditions were appropriate for spending on the business.
47% said it was a good time to invest. When we fast forward to the first quarter of 2023, that number moved up to 56%. So there had been a 9 percentage point movement amongst those businesses who felt it was a good time to invest first quarter compared to 2022. Again, perhaps understandable, because during 2022, the situation changed. COVID began to recede. Businesses were opening up again.
Mr. Anderson says the survey also found that fewer businesses felt the economy was going to improve.
First quarter of 2022, that percentage was 56.4. That fell to 41.3. Caution, reservation, what have you. And by extension, there was a concomitant kind of decrease in those who thought the situation was going to get worse. But note, very few people, relative to 2022, felt that the economy was going to get better.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Joanna Banks will demit office as president of the newly formed Pan-Jamaica Group. In a notice on Monday, the group said Ms. Banks has been appointed as Executive Vice President of Strategy and Business Development of Sagicor Group Jamaica. She will take up the post on July 17. Sagicor Jamaica is an associate company of Pan-Jamaica. This move comes weeks after Banks was appointed president of the group, formed from the merger of Pan-Jam Investments and Jamaica Producers Group. Meanwhile, Sagicor Group Jamaica has announced another senior-level appointment. Tracy Ann Spence will also join Sagicor as Executive Vice President and Chief Investment Officer. Spence is Chief Operating Officer at NCB Capital Markets. Her appointment will also become effective July 17. The new appointments come after Sagicor Jamaica last year announced plans to restructure its management team, including making the post of Vice President of Marketing redundant. The US dollar is being sold for an average $153.70. $115.15 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $189 for the pound, while it's costing an average $167.50 for the euro. And over to the stock market, the JSE index declined by 1,388 points, while the junior market lost 2 points. Among the winners, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar, FLI 7.75% preference, iCreate, Trans-Jamaican Highway 8%, and Proven Group US dollar shares. On the losing side were Consolidated Bakeries, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican Dollar, G West Corporation, First Rock Real Estate Investments, and General Accident Insurance Company. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.